Have you ever seen a robotic animal that looks and moves just like the real thing? Well, join us as we reveal the amazing robotic animals you must see. These extraordinary robotic animals are not only visually stunning, but they also mimic the movements and behaviors of their real-life counterparts with incredible accuracy. Number 7. Plu Robot. Imagine a robot that moves and behaves like a real-life salamander. Well, thanks to the brilliant minds at the Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, Switzerland, this has become a reality with their creation of the Plu Robot. This remarkable robot is designed to mimic the movements of a salamander, both on land and in water. But how did they manage to create such a lifelike robot? The scientists had to carefully study the X-rays of a real salamander's movements and then print the skeleton of the robot on a 3D printer. The robot is powered by an intricate electrical system which operates under the control of a synthetic nervous system. And the result is incredible. When you see the Plu Robot in action, you can hardly believe it's not a real animal. But the scientists didn't just create the Plu Robot for fun. They had a noble goal in mind: to gain a deeper understanding of the locomotor systems of vertebrates, which can be used to create better neuroprostheses for people. By studying the Plu Robot's movements and neural control, researchers can improve the development of prosthetic limbs for humans, allowing them to move more freely and naturally. Number 6. Octobot. Coming in at number 6 on our list of amazing robotic animals is Octobot. It's a biometric marvel that takes inspiration from the incredible abilities of octopuses. With its tentacle-like appendages, this amazing robotic animal can navigate challenging terrains and manipulate objects with exceptional precision. It's like having a real-life octopus at your service, but without the slimy tentacles. The robot's tentacles are equipped with sensors and actuators, allowing it to adapt to various tasks and environments, making it a versatile and adaptable machine. Octobot is the future of robotics, and it's here to revolutionize industries and improve human capabilities. The ingenuity of the Octobot lies in its biometric design, which draws inspiration from nature to create efficient and effective solutions. By emulating the dexterity and fluid movements of an octopus, Octobot showcases the power of biomimicry in advancing robotics. It's like having a robot that's not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing to watch in action. Number 5. Robird. Robird is a highly sophisticated robotic bird designed by the Dutch company Clear Flight Solutions. The inspiration behind Robird's design came from the desire to create a robotic bird that could be used to control the presence of real birds in areas where they pose a danger, such as airports. The Robird's wings are made of carbon fiber and covered with artificial feathers, which make it look and fly like a real bird of prey. It's controlled by a human operator who guides the bird to fly in specific patterns to scare off other birds. The Robird is capable of flying up to 50 miles per hour and has a wingspan of approximately 2 meters. It's equipped with an onboard camera that allows the operator to see what the bird is seeing in real time. The camera also provides high-definition images of the bird's surroundings, which can be used to monitor bird activity and behavior. The Robird has been used successfully in many airports across Europe, Asia, and North America, where it's been effective in reducing the bird strikes and risks of bird-related accidents. The technology behind the Robird has also been adapted for use in other industries, such as agriculture, where it can be used to keep birds away from crops, and the oil and gas industry, where it can be used to inspect pipelines and other infrastructure. Number 4. Bionic Flying Fox. This is a remarkable robotic creation by German manufacturer Festo. While the company specializes in industrial equipment and automation systems, this particular project is a spin-off developed by its engineers. Inspired by the mechanics of an animal's body, specifically a flying fox at rest and in motion, the robot simulates the movements of the flying fox almost identically. In fact, it's capable of hanging upside down while clinging to a perch, just like its real-life counterpart. During motion, the robot unfolds its wings and alternates a flight phase with a glide, making it seem almost like it's soaring through the air. The wings are made of an impenetrable film as well as lycra sheets that are welded at 45,000 points, resembling the structure of a beehive. This special design allows the robot to continue moving without descending, even if the fabric is damaged. To further enhance the robot's capabilities, the engineers equipped it with an infrared sensor system that transmits data wirelessly about the surrounding space. This feature enables the robot to fly in semi-automatic mode, making it even more impressive. Number 3. Illume. The flexible underwater robot developed by Norwegian specialists, Illume is making waves in the world of ocean exploration and maintenance. This robot is uniquely designed to mimic the movement of a snake, making it an ideal machine for safe navigation in liquid environments. With the goal of conducting research on the ocean floor, Illume is equipped with a motor that allows it to stay deep underwater for extended periods of time. It also features cameras that enable real-time monitoring of the underwater environment. What's more, Illume's modular design makes it highly adaptable to various tasks that can be easily customized to meet specific needs. For example, customers can equip the robot with specialized tools for simple repairs or maintenance tasks. One of the most significant advantages of Illume is its ability to operate underwater without the need for frequent resurfacing, unlike humans who require air to breathe. The robot's metal cylinders are specifically designed to give it the appearance of a snake, which are the optimal way for safe and efficient movement in a liquid environment. Number 2. Bionic Wheelbot. Meet the Bionic Wheelbot, a spider robot designed and created by the engineers at Festo. This robotic spider is not your typical 8-legged creepy crawler, but rather an attractive and fascinating creation that won't scare even the most arachnophobic individuals. Unveiled in March 2018, the Bionic Wheelbot can move in 2 distinct ways, mimicking its natural counterpart. When it needs to move forward, it uses 3 pairs of legs, like a real spider. But when danger lurks, the robot can quickly shift into its wheel mode by rotating its legs, allowing it to roll on the surface at a faster speed than if it were walking. This makes it an incredibly versatile robot, ideal for smooth surfaces. The Bionic Wheelbot is a showcase of the possibilities that the future holds for robotic spiders. It uses cutting-edge technology, including impenetrable film and Lyrica sheets welded at 45,000 points to ensure that it can keep moving even if the fabric is damaged. With Festo's innovative engineering, the Bionic Wheelbot is a true marvel of technology, demonstrating the potential of robotics in our world. Number 1. Crabster CR200. The exploration of the ocean floor has always been a challenge for humanity. However, with the advancement of technology, it's becoming easier to explore the depths of the sea. One of the most notable underwater robots is the Crabster CR200, which was developed by scientists from the Korean Institute of Ocean Science and Technology. The CR200 was designed to patrol the coastal areas of the Korean peninsula, where strong underwater currents make it difficult for humans to swim. The robot's powerful legs allow it to maintain its position even in turbulent waters by adhering to the surface and grabbing onto protrusions. Inspired by the quick movements of a crab, the CR200 can move quickly on land and on the sea floor. Despite its weight of 600 kilograms, the CR200 can reach a speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour. The robot's front legs can be equipped with manipulators to perform various tasks underwater. It's interesting to note that the robot is unmanned and has windows that are not used to observe the water world from the inside. Instead, they allow observers to quickly assess the robot's performance from the outside. So which of these robotic animals did you find the most fascinating? And do you think they can help tackle ecological challenges? Share your thoughts and feedback below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.